Tonight's quick dinner, Ahi Tuna Tacos. I'm gonna show you how to make it super quick, super simple, coming up. Hi, I'm Deborah. You're watching The Last Minute Cook, where I share delicious recipes that are quick so that you can make dinner at the last minute and feel good about what you're serving. So if you're new here, subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified of my future videos. I post about 2 times a week. So for tonight, we're making tacos with a beautiful fillet of ahi tuna. Found this at Costco and snagged it, and using ingredients that are simple, just a few of them. So I've got 1 fillet of the ahi tuna, and for the marinade that I'm gonna put on this, I'm using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of a vegetable oil, like a canola, whatever oil that you would like. I'm also using a 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You could substitute rice vinegar or whatever you've got. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. That's it. And then I just whisked all of that together. And so we're gonna go ahead and get, also you wanna make sure you pat dry your fish so that it can absorb all the yummy marinade that you've got. I'm gonna pour right on top. Just kind of get that all on there. I'm gonna have to use my hands because I don't want my fillet to fall apart. Okay. Then the other side, and then I'm also using a bit of just raw sesame seeds, just so you can keep them on hand. You can just roll your fillet right into the sesame seeds. So let's do that and just make sure it gets nice and coated. I'm even gonna do the sides, and we're gonna make sure we pat it in there really, really well. You want it coated on there. We're gonna lose some of these sesame seeds when we get this on the skillet. All right, so I've got about a pad of butter. It's not quite a tablespoon, just enough to, this is not a non-stick pan, so I wanna make sure my fish, my beautiful fish, doesn't stick. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that there. This is gonna go quick, about a minute at the most per side, and then we'll flip it about now. Okay. Could have gone a little bit longer on those sesame seeds, I think. So, regardless of how my sesame seeds look, I gotta get this fish off my pan because we don't want to overcook this beautiful fish. So since this is for tacos, we want to slice it fairly thinly, and we'll just go I'm gonna go this way. Okay, I'm gonna check the doneness level also. So what I see is that we've got the outside nice and seared, and we've got a nice fleshy pink inside. That's what we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this for our tacos. Okay, so just nice and thin. We're gonna be topping these with some good, delicious toppings. If you're on a keto or carb restricted diet, of course you don't need to put this on flour tortillas. You could serve this directly over a bed of lettuce, which would be delicious. For the taco, we'll do, this is a cabbage blend. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that there. And I want to go with a little bit of tomatoes. I'm gonna do the same thing for my keto-friendly plate over here as well. Okay, get our tomatoes on there. And we'll go with just a sprinkle of cilantro. This cabbage blend has some cilantro in it, so we're just gonna add some for just a little dash of extra flavor there. We will also have a little fun with some avocado. So for our taco, that like that, beautiful. And then this is a sesame soy dressing, just a store-bought. You can use whatever you like for this, just to give it a little bit of enhanced flavor there. But I think this would also be just delicious without an additional dressing. Okay, so there we go. Beautiful. And then for our keto friendly, just want to show you this, y'all. Look. Yum. Okay, and then for our plated without the tortilla, same thing. got the bed of lettuce, the tomatoes, a little bit of avocado. I'm gonna put on our little strips of ahi. And you can serve it just like this. You can avoid the dressing and the added sugar or anything that you don't want in your diet and serve it just like this. Spectacularly beautiful, perfectly cooked, just a quick sear on both sides, a few ingredients, and you have a beautiful gourmet, quick dinner. Enjoy your tuna tacos or your ahi tuna salad. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that. And don't forget to connect with me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Buon appetito.